Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I'll be unboxing a package from JPFans, a Japan proxy shopping service that lets you buy authentic products directly from Japan. If you've ever wanted to shop from Japanese websites, collect anime merchandise, buy craft supplies, or get exclusive Japan-only items, then this video is definitely for you. For those who are new to JPFans, they are a proxy shopping service. That means they help you purchase items from Japanese online stores that normally don't offer international shipping. And instead of worrying language barriers or shipping restrictions, JPFans handles everything for you, from purchasing your items to shipping them directly to your country. Since I'm from the Philippines, I'm really happy that JPFans makes it possible for me to shop authentic Japanese products and have them delivered right to my doorstep. It's a simple and convenient way to shop from Japan without the usual hassle. I'm so excited to open this package and let's see what I got. So this is everything I got from JPFans, and I'm so happy because this is my first ever collection of popmart. So if you're a fan of Japanese products like anime merch, collectibles, stationery, beauty product, fashion, craft supplies, or anything that's only available in Japan, JPFans makes it so much easier to get them. So if you'd like to try JPFans for yourself, make sure to use my affiliate link in my bio or in the description below. And don't forget to use my shipping discount code ANN20 to save 20% off your international shipping on your order. Overall, I'm really happy with everything I received. The products arrived in great condition and the shopping experience was smooth from start to finish. So if you've been thinking about buying products from Japan, I definitely recommend checking out JPFans. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which item was your favorite. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone! 一人